Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your user ID in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Your Mobile Legends Bang Bang user ID is important for account recovery, customer support, giveaways, and friend requests. First of all, launch open the game on your device and wait until you reach the main lobby screen. From the lobby page, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. From your profile section, you need to go see the ID under your name at the top, this one over here. If you tap on it, you'll be able to copy your user ID in your device's clipboard. You can easily use your user ID for support or even submissions. That's how you easily find your Mobile Legends Bang Bang user ID. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.